freaking love you.
Leslie said no!
I said no what?
He was like, you come here, and I was like, Leslie said no.
Leslie said now?
Dad!
Call him!
I'm trying, but he doesn't want to
Scream! Tell him to get over here, old man. Be like, get over here, old man, tell him.
Get over here, old man.
Mona, yell at
Hold on, I'm trying to find a skirt.
Call him.
My foot hurts, leave me alone, shut your mouth. 5
Scream
seconds.
about the skirt, come on, Mona.
Dad, I need this skirt
Okay,
super
well then call
bad.
him and scream at him to buy it for you.
Father!
Mona, don't leave me. Mona, take the computer with you.
Take it with you.